Hello, my name is Caramante, and this is my capstone presentation. My capstone was to produce a series of public service announcements for Cal State Monterey Bay's new dorm channel, Residential Life Cinema. My client is Timothy Bills, and my advisor was Kevin Cahill. Now here's my problem statement. Cal State Monterey Bay is planning to start a television channel for its dorms. The problem is, they don't have any content to launch the channel with. They need a series of public service announcements that will teach freshman students about common issues that they may face. My solution was to produce at least 3 public service announcements using Adobe Flash that will address common issues and problems faced by college freshmen, such as stress, sleep deprivation, and time management. The videos will communicate directly with students, and there will be a poster to go with each video that reiterates the video's message. Now here's my methodology. My first step was to survey people for topics. I chose to survey freshman students and people who had already gone through the college experience and learned how to deal with those issues. After I collected all the results, I picked the top 3 topics, which were stress, sleep deprivation, and time management. My next step was to design the storyboards and write the scripts. The scripts were based on the topics, and the storyboards were based on the scripts. Once that was done, I designed the characters and the setting. I was going for an upbeat and cartoonish look because I wanted to present the message in a positive manner. When that was done, I recorded the dialogue. I used my own voice and my tutor's voice for the male characters, and I asked one of my classmates, Tina Peters, to voice the female character. Once all the dialogue was recorded, I animated the videos using Adobe Flash, and I designed the posters with Adobe Illustrator. When they were done, I showed them to other students and made a survey for their feedback. Once I got all the feedback I needed, I made changes to my videos and my posters based on their feedback. Once all the editing was done, I presented my videos and posters to my client. Now here are the tools that I used. I used Adobe Illustrator to design the posters, and I made adjustments to them using Adobe Photoshop. I used Adobe Flash to animate the videos. But in order to do all this, I needed a computer that would handle these 3 programs, a microphone to record the dialogue, Microsoft Word to write the scripts, and poster supplies to develop the posters. I learned a lot from this capstone project. I learned how to animate using Adobe Flash because this was something I had never done before, and Flash was necessary to create the upbeat and lighthearted mood that I was going for. I also learned about the kinds of issues college freshmen face through the perspective of others. I learned how to meet the needs of a client and the process of constructing an animation by going through the phases of pre-production, production, and post-production. Thank you for your interest in my capstone project. To find out more about the project, please visit my poster session in room 110. Thank you. And now I present one of my videos.
Wake up, Betsy. You're going to be late for class.
Huh?
Oh, sorry, Bill. I just didn't get enough sleep last night, and I'm really tired.
Did you stay up late last night playing World of Warcraft again?
Yeah, I can't stop myself from playing World of Warcraft. It's so addicting.
Well, maybe you should limit yourself to just 1 hour of that game tonight and establish a set time to go to sleep, so you'll be wide awake the next morning and ready to go to class.
I have my advisor to thank for the World of Warcraft thing. Thanks, Kevin.